Let's see Leetcode problem to add two numbers. First we will discuss the problem statement and discuss the approach, and then we will try run the code. Okay, so then we will take one example, and according to that example we will try run the code. So let's get started. Let's see Leetcode problem add two numbers. This is a medium level problem. Description is given that you are given two non-empty linked list representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order and each of their nodes contains a single digit. Add the two numbers and return the sum as a linked list. Okay. So here input is given that 2, 4, 3. Visual representation you can also look at, and 5, 6, 4. Okay, so we have to add these according to numbers. Okay, so here 3 and 4, 3 and 4 we have to add, then 4 and 6 we have to add, and 2 and 5 we have to add. Okay, so it is stored in reverse order. Okay, so we have to add those numbers in this manner. Okay, we have to take 3, 4, 2 and 4, 6, 5, and then we have to add it, and sum comes 807, and we have to reverse it and we have to give output. Okay, so let's understand properly this problem statement on paper pen, and let's understand the approach. So let's get started on paper pen. Let's understand the problem and approach. So problem says that we have to add numbers from the linked list. Okay, this is an linked list 1 and this is an linked list 2. Okay, so we have to add those number. So it is given in the reverse order. Okay, means we have to add it in reverse order, means 342 and 465. Okay, and after that it will result to the 807, and we have to reverse the result and we have to display it. Okay, so 8708 is printed. Okay, so here it is an visual representation 243 and 564. We have to add them in reverse order, means 4 plus these into reverse order. Okay, so after putting these in reverse order 342 and 465, we have to add from right side. No, we add the numbers from right side. So 5 plus 2 7, and 6 plus 4 10. So 0 here, and here is 1 carry. Okay, so this will result to the 807, and output is this. Okay, so let's see the approach, optimal approach. So in this approach, this is a linked list and this is a linked list 2. This is a list 1 and this is a list 2. So what we will do, we will take two variables, which is sum and carry. And also we will take two pointers. Okay, this is an L1, let's understand it as L1, this points, and L2 is this. Okay, so we have to add these numbers and we have to move these pointers forward. Okay, so we will add this, means of 2 plus 5, what which happens, it will happen 7. Okay, so in the sum it will store 7, and I will move forward. I will move for L1 will move forward and L2 also will move forward, and it is added into linked list. Okay, at start carry is 0. Okay, and at start sum is also 0. We have to add sum equal to sum plus value of at start this value. Okay, so sum is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. Okay, sum is 2, and after adding this 5. Okay, so sum will be incremented to this, and now we will add 4 and 6. After adding 4 and 6, the output will be 10. Okay, so 10, but 10 is a 2-digit number. Okay, so we can't store it in this. Okay, so sum will be modulus of 10. Okay, 10 in modulus 10, what happens, it becomes 0. Okay, remainder is 0. No, so it will be 0. Okay, and linked list added 0. But what about this one, we have to store it in carry. Carry is equal to sum divided by 10. Okay, sum is now 10 divided by 10. 10 ones are 1, so carry becomes 1. Okay, so now we will move forward our pointers. Now pointer will come here. Okay, L2. Now 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, 7. But we have to see that carry is 1 or 0. Now at the start carry is 1. Okay, so we will add carry in it. Okay, so 7 plus 1, which will result to 8. Now our output is 708, and it will be result in the linked list. Okay, so then we have to put this linked list as written. Okay, so I hope that you understand this approach. By seeing the code, you will better understand this approach. Okay, so let's go on Leetcode screen. Let's try run the code. We have created one result node, new result node. Okay, so it is created this, okay, and we have given value 0, okay, and we have created one pointer which will point to the result, okay. So this is created. Now we have created carry as 0, okay, at starting carry is 0, and we will run the while loop. In the while loop, list1 should be not equal to null, or list2 should be not equal to null, okay. Both should, if both are null, then while loop will be breakdown, okay. Now we will see it, okay. In the while loop, we have to initialize one new sum, okay. Sum is equal to 0 plus carry, okay. At starting, carry is also 0 and sum is also 0, so sum is equal to 0, okay. So carry is 0. I will write here carry and here sum, okay. Sum is also 0. Now we will put one condition: if list1 is not equal to null, okay, then we have to put sum plus 0, means 0, no, at starting sum is 0, 0 plus list1 value, at starting list1 value is 2, okay. So sum plus 2, which is equal to 2, okay. Now sum becomes 2. I will write here 2, sum is equal to 2, and we will move the pointer forward, okay. Now our pointer, L1 pointer, will be here. Now we will check here if list2 is not equal to null. If list2 is not equal to null, then we have to implement this block, okay. So here is also sum plus L2 value, okay. Now sum is 2, right? 2 plus value of L2 5, which is 7. So sum becomes 7, okay, and we have to move pointer forward, okay. So now pointer is at 6, okay. Now this part is implemented, okay. This is also in the while loop, carry. Now we will take calculate the carry. Carry is equal to sum. Now sum is 7, no, right? At this is 7, okay. So sum carry is equal to sum divided by 10. 7 divided by 10, what will be carry? Carry will be 0, okay. So carry is be 0, this will be cancelled, and then we will take the sum modulus 10. 7 modulo 10, what will be happens? It will come 7, okay. A remainder is 7, no, so sum will be 7, okay. This is done, and we have to ptr.next create one new node, and we have to put that into new node sum value, okay. Now we have created one new node, and we have to put the value of sum. So this is an 7, okay. Now we have to move forward, okay. We have to create one new pointer next, okay. So this will be point this, okay. Now once again this loop will be executed, okay. Now once again I will tell you that now sum is equal to 0, okay. Now sum 0 plus 0, 0, carry is also again 0, right? 0, no, carry is here 0, okay, and sum is 7, but we have to not take sum 7, okay. Why? Because here is 0, no, so sum is equal to 0 plus carry. 0 plus carry means 0, so sum will be again 0, again sum will be 0, okay. So again it will be run this, okay. Now we have this is cancelled, okay. Now sum plus L1 value is 4, okay, 4, and we have to move again forward, okay. So here is sum equal to sum plus value of L2, okay. This is cancelled, and value of L2 is 6, okay. 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10, and we have to move forward, okay. So 10. Now we have to take the carry. 10 divided by 10, 1, carry will be 1, and sum, and we have to calculate sum 10 modulo by 10, what will come? The remainder is 0, okay. So sum will be 0. So this is an output, and we have to create one new node, and in that new node we have to put the value of sum. Now sum value is 0, so 0 is put, okay. Now we have to create one pointer, okay. I will do like this, created one pointer, okay. So again this loop will be executed. Now what will happen? Sum equal to 0, 0 plus carry is 1, no, so sum will become 1, okay. Now this loop will be if condition will be run, okay. Sum plus list1 value is 3, and sum value is 1, 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4, okay. Now this loop this will point to the null, okay. The implementation of L1 will be completed, and now it will be implement L2, okay. So we have to add in L2 value in the sum. 4 plus 4, what it will be 8, okay, and we will move forward pointer, okay. It will point to the null, so L2 is also completed. Now we will move to the carry is equal to sum divided by 10. 8 divided by 10, what will happen? 0, and sum equal to 8 modulo 10, it will be 8, right? Now we have to create one new node, and we have to put value in the new node as sum, okay. Sum is 8. This is created, okay. Now we will we will create one new pointer again. Okay, now again this loop will be only one null will be okay. So both are null, so this while loop will be not executed and this while loop will be breakdown. Now again we have to put the condition, if any carry remains 1, then we have to create one new node and we have to put that 1 into that new node. Okay, and we have to simply return this value. So here is one point that we are returning the result dot next, means we are returning only this part, not including 0. Okay, so we have to return the result dot next. So we will cancel this out and we will return 7, 0 and 8. Okay, and you will see that output is also 708. So I hope that you will understand the in better way by try running the code. So I have dry run this code. Okay, if you not understand, then please watch again the video, you will definitely understand. I was thinking that before dry running this code you are not understanding, and at the code you will feel hard. So I have dry run this code. So thank you guys. Let's go on the Leetcode screen. Okay, let's see the code for our approach. So we will create here one starting node, which I will give name as result equal to new list node. In that value we have give 0, we have to give 0, and then we have to create one pointer like ptr, which will point to the return. Okay, means result, sorry. We have created one pointer from result. Okay, now we will take here one carry which will at start 0, and then we will run the while loop. While list 1 should be not equal to null, or list 2 is not equal to null. Okay, this loop will run until the both of one of the both of the list will be at the null, means. Okay, you understand that. And then we will take here one sum, int sum. At starting it should be 0, and we have to add carry. Okay, so at starting carry is also 0, so sum is equal to 0. Okay, then we will give here if list 1 is not equal to null, then we have to increment sum equal to list 1 plus value dot value, sorry, list 1 dot value. And then we have to move our pointer forward. So list 1 equal to list 1 dot next. Okay, this list 1 is completed. Now we will take the list 2. If list 2 is not equal to null, then sum plus list 2 dot value, and we will move the pointer forward. Okay, so list 2 equal to list 2 dot next. Now we will take the carry if it has two digits. Carry equal to sum divided by 10, and sum equal to sum modulo 10. I think here spelling mistake is there. Okay, sum. And we will take we will move our pointer forward. Okay, in the main linked list, means result linked list. Okay, ptr dot next equal to new. We will create one new node and we will put that sum value into the new linked list. Okay, so here list node and it will be sum, and next ptr will be move forward dot next. And we will put here condition, if carry is equal to 1, we have to make put that at the last carry remains 1, then we have to put it into new node. Okay, so we will make here ptr dot next equal to new. We will create one new list node and we will put it into list new node. Okay, 1, and then we will simply return the result dot next. Okay, why we will return the result dot next? Because at the starting node we put 0, no, so 0 will be not returned. From 0 it will be returned. Okay, I hope that you understand the approach on the paper pen better, so you will understand this code. So I think here is some error. Okay, here triple. Okay, let's once again compile the code. If you understand the approach on the paper, then you will easily understand this code. Okay, if you not understand this code and the approach, then watch once again the video, then you will definitely understand it. Okay, so you can see here our code is successfully compiled and accepted our all test cases. Okay, so let's submit it. So this was our day 20 of 100 days of code DSA challenge. Now we are at medium level linked list problems. Now we will going stepwise, no, easy to medium, medium to hard. Okay, so I think that for 4 to 5 days linked list topic is ongoing, because we are solving hard problems also. So you can see here our code is submitted successfully. So thank you guys for watching my video, and if you want the code of Java and C++, both code are uploaded on my GitHub account, and that link is given in the description. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please watch my video and be with me for 100 days of code DSA challenge. You will be master in DSA. Okay, so after that 100 days of code challenge, I will be posting DSA new problems and important problems for placements and for big tech companies. Okay, so subscribe guys. So thank you for watching my video.